Welcome to my channel, everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how I painted this flaming eye design. First, I put yellow Starblends powder on my eyes using a smoothie blender. Then, using an angle brush loaded with a one-stroke cake that has red, orange, and yellow, I'm going to create two U shapes, one on each side of the face, just above the eyebrows, keeping the red towards the top and outside of the flame. Place the tip of your brush to the outside of the flame, press it down slightly, come down and stay on the edge and in at a point at the center brow. Then move to the inside of the flame. Place your brush down, press slightly, come up to the tip and end more towards the bridge of the nose. Continue making your flames using these same brush strokes. This design, I'm using 3 flames to start. One stroke flames can be tricky, so I recommend a lot of practice because trust me, I struggled big time when it came to doing flames, and it's even trickier when you do it on yourself. Now I'm going to start filling in some of the flames with the orange that's on the tail of the brush before I start my second layer. Now I'm starting the second layer, and I'm placing that first U between the first and the second flame. Place the second flame right next to that one, ending at the inner corner of the eye. Using black paint on a round brush, I'm going to start building the brow details. And with a damp filbert brush, while the paint is still wet, I'm going to drag some of that paint down over the eye. I didn't particularly like the brow line I just painted, so I'm going to remove that and go back and do it differently. I decided to start the brow lines closer to the inner corner of my eye, right at the edges of the smaller flames. I'm going to add some thin lines just above the eye shadowed area. Add some detail lines across the bridge of the nose, the inner corners of the eye, a U between the brows, and also some wrinkle lines on the outer corners of the eyes. And using red loaded on a round brush, I'm going to build some additional flames and connect those to the one-stroke flames. Then outline them in red. And using the damp filbert brush with black paint, do some shadow blending to the U in the center of my brows, the wrinkle lines, and the brow lines. Added some black powder on top of the yellow. and finish with highlights. And that completes the design. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.